everybody, I'm Roshan and welcome back to my YouTube channel Technokidz. I welcome you all to part 5 of Space Shooter in Scratch 3.0 tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add effects when the lemon is blasted using the laser. Let's start coding. Click on spaceshooter.sb3 folder. Then open spaceshooter.sb3. Close Windows Explorer. Put Scratch in maximized mode. Scratch will load everything needed then. First, let's go to the variables and then hide everything from player, laser, audio and lemons. Then let's test everything out. Yes, everything is working perfectly. Now let's create the audio using the all audios. Then go to the sounds tab. Use change explosion to the lemons, explosion 6 and explosion 18. Then go to the lemons, delete this, go to all audio and again drag explosion 6. Then play one by one. That's a small sound. That's a small blasting sound. And this is also another small sound, little smooth. Now we create the code. Go to the variables, then select make a variable for this sprite only, and then health. Then go here to the new enemy and then set health to 15. Then choose cleanup blocks option. Then one if then block, put it here, and then if then else block too. Put everything under it and then join it with enemy hit. Now we are gonna set health, that is by using the variable here and then going here, choosing the first one, health, and then put 0 here and then start sound, and then we'll choose any one of these. We'll choose 2 for now. Then change health by -1. Then after that we are going to set brightness effect. In the looks block we can set this color effect and then set it to brightness. Set brightness effect to 100. That'll create a small effect using the brightness. And then we'll go down here, go to control and then stop this script and then set it here below this. Then go to the when I start as a clone block. Then go here to looks, set brightness effect to 0. Now let's test it out. Yes, now the things are flickering. We'll fix the flickering too. See, they are not blasting actually. Now we are going to change DIR to health. Then again click on the green flag. Yes, here we go, lemon. Yes. Now also they are flickering. We'll put another 6 also. Now after the lemon is shot, multiple times only they'll blast. See? You need to be shot multiple times in order to be small lemons. See? Yes, so we have fixed that bug. Now we are going to do something else. Go to the looks block, then size, then choose this. If size is bigger than 250, then we are going to start another sound. Start sound explosion 18 and then start sound explosion. Here we'll use explosion 6. Now let's test it again. Yes, they're all set. Now, you think there's a little too much waiting between enemies, right? So we're going to making that wait little small. Wait is 2 seconds now. Let's test it out again. Yes. Wow, now there are a lot of enemies coming here. That's really cool. Wow. But sometimes that's really too much. We'll set it to 3.5. That's exactly right. Let's test again. Wow. So we have successfully completed Space Shooter in Scratch 3.0. Hope you enjoyed the Space Shooter in Scratch 3.0 tutorials. Bye everybody. See you all in my next video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you really like this video and if you are waiting for another awesome tutorial, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notifications when I upload the new videos. Bye everybody.